Welcome to my kitchen. This is where food is made, right here. The nutrients in this are jam-packed, okay? Sprouts. I keep those in the fridge. Let's go see them. Right here. Wow. Fantastic. Boom. Sesame tahini. It looks like that. It's just kind of a butter. Oh! It's delicious. Cacao powder. Like this. And it looks like that. I wouldn't recommend having it dry. That's what it looks like. You're actually supposed to soak them. They turn into this beautiful jelly right here. Now let's spice it up a little bit with our new ingredients. Alright, we got the toast. Some coffee. Just a little bit, not too much. Okay, perfect. It's all for flavor and nutrition, just a bit. Perfect. Okay. So I usually like to take a bite of this first.
Remember, none of these messages have been approved by the FDA, the Organic Association of California or America, or any part of the country or any other part of the world. These facts are strictly my opinion.
I really want to take a moment and thank our sponsors, coffee and avocado toast.